Hello guys. So today I'm going to share a delicious and healthy recipe for egg white cinnamon rolls that you're going to love, I promise you. Okay, these cinnamon rolls, they're not only tasty, but they're also packed with protein. So here's why you should give them a try. So for the basic roll, they're only 127 calories with 26 grams of protein and just 1.8 grams of carb. So this is a perfect, it's like a guilt-free treat, right? You're going to think you're having a treat, but we can up it a little bit more with the calories and make it like a whole breakfast, okay? So if you are interested in this, keep watching. It's going to be delicious, okay? All right, keep watching. All right, so what we're going to do, we're going to take a cup of egg whites and we're just going to put it in the bowl. And then we're going to get one of those mixers and just mix, y'all. You want to mix it until you got those stiff peaks, until it is just where there's no liquid at the bottom. Next, you want to go ahead and add you some vanilla. Do not forget the vanilla. Otherwise, it just tastes eggy to me. So always make sure you have a good little amount of vanilla in there. And then you want to go ahead and mix it a little bit more. All right, and then mix again. Now, I went ahead and used a little bit of parchment paper and I sprayed it down with a little oil. And you want to go ahead and take it and put them all out on the parchment paper and try to spread it as much as you can over the whole sheet. Okay, next you'll see how important it is to put enough of oil on that sheet, because look how I'm struggling to get this off. Now I did get it off. I had to use a little assistance with a knife, but I was able to get it off. And you want to go ahead and turn it over. So turn it over where it's like fully flattened. And then you want to go ahead and put your cinnamon and sugar mixture all up on top of there. Some people use butter. I didn't need butter. Mine stuck just fine. But if you need butter, go ahead and put that in there. But it's just extra calories. But I went ahead and spread it all around the top. And then you want to go ahead and roll it like a really tight egg roll. Just roll it. Now it's time for the fun part. You can put whatever you want. Some people make an icing. I'm just going to use a little bit of this yogurt. And so what I did was I took some strawberries, about a half a cup, and I went ahead and cut the strawberries up. Then you want to go ahead and put them flat on like the plate, and then I kind of put strawberries on each of the cinnamon rolls. Next, I went ahead and put some yummy walnuts on top for just a little bit of a crunch. And then I used a tablespoon of peanut butter and I just drizzled that on top. Oh my gosh, so delicious. And then I used about a quarter cup of this silk yogurt. Oh my gosh, y'all, you just got to try it with the yogurt. It takes it to the next level. Okay, I have to at least try it for you, right? So we're gonna get one bite. It's messy, y'all. It was the perfect breakfast, seriously. This is a great breakfast, high protein. It's gonna keep me full for hours. Love doing the cloud bread. You guys try it. If you've tried different variations or something like that, let me know, talk about it in the comments. Maybe I can try some different ones or some recipes that you wanna see. Go ahead and leave it in the comments. Talk to you guys later. See you next video. Bye, guys.